Cold calling can be a great way to sell yourself to potential employers, clients, or collaborators. By reaching out to people directly, you can introduce yourself, share your skills and experience, and ask for an opportunity to discuss your goals. This can be a more effective way to sell yourself than relying on job boards or other traditional methods. Here are some tips on how to use cold calling to sell yourself. Target the right people. Not everyone is a good fit for your skills and experience. Target your cold calls to people who are likely to be interested in what you have to offer. You can do this by using LinkedIn, industry publications, and other resources to identify potential opportunities. Personalize your pitch. When you call someone, personalize your pitch by mentioning something specific about their company or their needs. This will show that you are genuinely interested in them and that you are not just sending out generic emails. Be clear and concise. State the purpose of your call up front and be clear about what you are hoping to achieve. Be concise and to the point, and avoid using jargon that the person may not understand. Be enthusiastic. Show the person that you are excited about the opportunity to speak with them and learn more about their needs. Your enthusiasm will be contagious and will help to make a positive impression. Follow up promptly. If you have a good conversation with someone, be sure to follow up with them promptly. This will show that you are serious about the opportunity and that you are not just taking up their time. Here's an example of a cold calling script that you can use to sell yourself. Introduction. Hi, John. My name is Alex, and I'm a, and we add our job title with, and then we add the number of years of experience in, and we add the industry. I'm calling because I'm interested in learning more about, and we add company name and the opportunities you have available. Pitch. I have a proven track record of success in, and we add the list of accomplishments. I'm also skilled in, and we add the list of skills. I'm confident that I could make a significant contribution to your team and help you to achieve your goals. Call to action. Would you be interested in scheduling a call to discuss my qualifications and how I could be of assistance? If the person is interested in scheduling a call, thank them and set up a time to speak with them. If the person is not interested, thank them for their time and wish them well. Here are some additional tips for selling yourself through cold calling. Be prepared to answer questions about your skills, experience, and goals. Be honest and transparent about your expectations. Be respectful of the person's time and don't overstay your welcome. Be persistent. It may take multiple calls to reach the right person and get the opportunity you're looking for. By following these tips, you can use cold calling to sell yourself and achieve your professional goals.